Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you iPhone not responding to touch after iOS 16 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So firstly, what you need to do is just simply make sure that iPhone screen is clean and free of any dubs. And after that, charge your iPhone using original charger and make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. Okay guys, and sometime when your iPhone is on charging and it's not working his touch, so you have to remove the charger and try with another cable, and after that you have to remove screen protector, clean iPhone screen with a soft slightly damp, and after doing all these things make sure that your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply force restart your device. For that you have to tap on volume up button, then down, then you have to tap on this and just simply force restart your device, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form suggests there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, just simply tap on accessibility, now tap on touch, and from here make sure that you have turned the tool on for uh, haptic touch. Just simply turn the tool on for this and make sure that you have check on first, and then go back from here and just simply tap on touch accommodation and make sure that this toggle is also turned on, and after that go back from here and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if form suggests there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, just simply tap on general, then you have to tap on software update and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, then you have to update your device, and after that what you need to do is just simply open setting, then you have to scroll in just down, just simply tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, and from here just simply tap on reset all setting. Here you have to put your passcode and just simply tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data media will be deleted. After that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.